Folks, today I'm going to talk about not one, but two low-risk opportunities, pullback opportunities on two industrial basic material stocks. This is something to get excited about. Folks, on Wall Street, the major focus right now is the proposed $2.3 trillion infrastructure package, which will drastically change our transportation system to the tune of $620 billion. That's a lot of change. Another big part of the plan is to spend over $300 billion on manufacturing, which includes affordable housing. And that's big, big, big. And to do all that, you need infrastructure stocks. You need basic material and infrastructure, industrial stocks. So while the overall stock market appears to be slightly overbought and is now pulling back, I'm seeing strong, and I mean strong opportunities in two stocks that have been rising strongly since Biden announced this new infrastructure package. And I believe the current pullback opportunity is a perfect time to jump on these industrial plays while the opportunity is still hot. Now, while the companies I'm going to discuss are not high-flying tech stocks like Amazon, they can offer you substantially lower volatility and risk during market periods when markets are looking for directional bias and trying to find their way back to non-fragmented value, which is usually or typically occurs after a strong run-up in price, which we've seen over the past few months. Again, these are not exciting companies, but they are in the right place at the right time for extended growth due to the current economic environment and how it's going to play out over the next few quarters. First stock on my list, Cleveland-Cliffs, ticker symbol CLF. The company is an iron ore mining company, primarily in the United States. The company is a supplier of iron ore pellets to the United States steel industry from our mines and pellet plants located in Michigan and Minnesota. Now, Biden's infrastructure plan will increase considerable demand for commodities such as steel, iron ore, and so on, which is exactly what this company specializes in. Imagine that, a low-hanging fruit. 1 year return, almost 350% from an iron manufacturer. Can you imagine that, or a supplier? It's a Russell 2000 stock, which means it's got a ton of upside potential, especially when the company is only worth $8 billion. It's got a lot of upside left. Last 3 quarters have seen very, very positive earnings estimates. There's 2 strong buy recommendations and a price target of $23 per share. Now, I also like the current trading action, which puts the asset right at the 50-day moving average after making a multi-year price high, which is a significant indication that price will revert back higher and continue trending up. Next stock, United Rental, ticker symbol URI. Now, this is not the first time I'm bringing this stock up, but it's a gold mine right now, especially in light of the stimulus plan. United Rental rents equipment to a diverse customer base, including construction, industrial companies, manufacturing, utilities, municipalities, homeowners, and government entities in the United States and Canada. And boy, oh boy, it's literally in the right place at the right time. The company provides critical services for leasing equipment for construction. It's actually the world's largest operator. Imagine that. 1 year return, 216% from a fairly conservative company. 4 quarters of positive earnings surprises, 6 strong buy recommendations, and a price target of $340 per share over the next quarter if momentum in industrial and basic material stocks continues to expand as we anticipate it will. The stock recently made an all-time high and is now pulling back to the 50-day moving average, which offers traders opportunity to load up at a pullback price. I love that. Getting a strong stock at bargain basement pricing. What could be better than that? Now, I anticipate the stock to begin seeing accumulation again, and I'm anticipating more analysts to begin recommending the stock, causing price to expand higher even further. We're starting to see this trend in other big-name industrial stocks as well, and anticipate to see a nice fat run-up in United Rental. Hope that helps. Folks, I've got some really good news today for you, and guess what? There's no cost and no catch. Check this out. Now, I've already have over 2,000 members that can join my live VIP trade room. But now, I'm opening up for everyone for free. I'm hosting an open house this Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, this might be your only chance to see where I put my money over the next few weeks. I'll give you step-by-step details on the simplest market-beating strategy, a few bonus trades, even a breakdown of the strongest and weakest sectors. Are you ready to attend my live VIP trade room? I can't wait to have you there. If you'd like to join us, all you've got to do is click on the link below now to enter your email address, and I'll send you all the details. And make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Folks, you've got to stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when we post our next videos. And you do not want to miss this invitation to my VIP trade room. Do it now, Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. You do not want to miss out. I have a treat in store for you.